In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Afterpay credit card to Apple Wallet in 2025. This is a quick and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes, and it will enable you to take full advantage of Apple Pay's convenience. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate and open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you're unsure where it's located, just use the search feature on your phone. Typically, you'll find it on your home screen nestled alongside other utility apps. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap to open the app. Next, you'll need to add a new card to your wallet. To do this, look to the top right corner of the wallet app for a little plus sign. Tap on this icon as it will guide you through the process of adding your Afterpay card. You'll then be presented with an option. Tap on debit or credit card. This selection is crucial as it sets up your phone to recognize the incoming card details appropriately. Think of this step as asking your phone to be ready for a new relationship with your Afterpay card. Now, it's time to add your card. You have a couple of options here. If you have your physical Afterpay card handy, simply tap it on your iPhone. This action will automatically begin the setup process by transferring the card information directly to your phone. Alternatively, if you prefer or don't have your card with you, you can choose to enter your card details manually. Tap Enter Card Details manually and follow the on-screen prompts to input the necessary information. For those who like a bit of tech magic, you can even use your iPhone's camera to scan the card details. Just align your card within the frame and it should capture the necessary data for you. Once your card information has been entered, either manually or via scanning, you'll typically be asked to follow some additional instructions. These can vary depending on your bank or card issuer. They may require further authentication, which could involve answering security questions or downloading an app specific to that financial institution. This step is an important security measure to protect your financial information. And there you have it, your Afterpay card should now be added to your Apple Wallet ready to use with the convenience of Apple Pay. With just a few taps and scans, you'll have everything set up to enjoy seamless contactless payments directly from your iPhone. So whenever you're out shopping, you can leave the physical card at home and feel confident in paying with just a tap of your phone. Thanks for watching and happy tapping.